Okay, so video number 2 of the chili verde salsa, and this is what we have of the tomatillos, and they roasted very nicely. They're very soft. We're going to start cooking them. I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to that, and in addition, now I have room, so I'm going to roast my onions and my garlic and my lime. And right here are the peppers, and I'm letting them sweat it out in this bag so that I can take all of the skins off. There we go. Get a better look this way. All of the peppers are in here, and we'll go from there. So I'm sorry that this is going to be in several videos. This is the way I can do this right now. So I think it's going to come out really, really well. And I'm glad to be taking you guys along for the ride. We're going to be having this for dinner tomorrow. So I just called for a mystery shop a few minutes ago, so that changed my dinner plans for tonight. So yeah, so it'll all work out good. So again, tomatillos, and here's the onions, and they're going to go into the oven, and I have the oven at 450 degrees. They're going to go in for probably about 15 minutes and brown. Okay, well, please subscribe if you want to follow me on my cooking adventures, and hit that like button and hit that bell, gong that bell, guys, and we'll be back at the next step. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.